Standard 9, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 3, India's Defense System. Challenges to India's security. Right from the time of independence, Pakistan and China have tried to threaten India's national security. There are several disputes between India and Pakistan. For example, the Kashmir issue, disputes over river water sharing, the problem of infiltration, dispute over the border, etc. India has continually tried to solve these issues through discussion and negotiations. India and China are important countries in Asia. In 1962, we have had to go to a war with China as China is trying to establish its own hegemony over countries that are India's neighbors. There are tensions in Sino Indian relations. There is also a dispute between India and China over their borders. India's security is not only threatened by outside powers but also from within. It is not just the difference between external security and internal security that is important anymore. Religion, regionalism, several rebellious movements based on ideology, race, ethnicity, and economic inequality are creating instability. For example, the Naxalite movement is a threat to India's internal security. Terrorism is the biggest challenge to India's internal security. It is a global problem and India is making efforts in end terrorism. Human security. In the post-Cold War period, the concept of national security changed and became broader. National security is not just the security of the country but also of the people living in it. Because security is ultimately for the people, hence human security refers to human-centric thinking. In human security, it is expected that human beings should be protected from all sorts of dangers and they should be given the opportunities of education, health, and development. The concept of human security also includes the idea that a conducive environment should be created for everybody to live a respectable life by overcoming illiteracy, poverty, superstitions, backwardness, etc. Human security necessitates and protection of the rights of minorities and weaker sections. Challenges in human security. The biggest challenge to human security is that of terrorism. Terrorism targets common innocent people. It aims at creating terror or fear in their minds so that they begin to feel insecure. Thus, in order to protect human security, it is necessary to put an end to terrorism. Pollution and other changes in the environment have threatened human life. Diseases like AIDS, chikungunya, swine flu, Ebola have presented a big challenge. Protecting human beings from such diseases is also considered as a factor of human security. Thank you.